Former Maldivian foreign minister has said that the claims made by Maldivian president about thousands of Indian military personnel were just another in a string of lies, adding that there are no armed foreign soldiers stationed in Maldives. A top Armenian minister has said that Armenia desires to make cooperation with India much deeper. That hints at potential defense deals of advanced weaponry between the two nations. Italy has put a hold on the plan to sell S-800 Midget submarines to Pakistan. Kalyani Enhanced Collaborative Autonomous Rover System has completed all trials, and it is awaiting orders from the Indian Army. Indian Navy's recently inducted INS Sundayuk large survey vessel has inducted Kongsberg-Hugin autonomous underwater vehicle that can operate at a depth of 6,000 meters. Several US university labs have agreed to open their facilities to Indian startups for real-world testing that will significantly accelerate innovation in cybersecurity, hypersonic technology and maritime systems. Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has announced that Maharashtra is set to overhaul its defense manufacturing policy and will establish 4 defense manufacturing clusters within the state. Brazilian Defense Ministry will push for local production of C-390 aircraft at the first ever Brazil-India Defense Dialogue next week in New Delhi. At a time when Dassault Aviation is eyeing to utilize the Nagpur plant for the assembly of Rafale fighter jets, the French Air Force has announced today that their Rafale F4.1 fighter jet has reached full operational capacity. The Rafale F4.1 has been conducting various training operations for several months, and now it is fully equipped to undertake operational missions, and this is significant as France has offered the Rafale F4 variant to India under the 114 MRFA program. French officials have said that the Rafale F5 variant will be launched by 2027, that will leverage advanced artificial intelligence, improved stealth capability, next-generation weapons, and a new engine with superior speed and fuel efficiency, and the F4 variant can also be upgraded to F5 variant. Hindustan Aeronautics will begin upgrades to the 16 IOC configuration Tejas Mark I fighter jets to bring it to FOC configuration, and this upgrade will add key capabilities to the aircraft, including beyond visual range missile capabilities, air-to-air refueling, air-to-ground FOC earmarked weapons, and general flight envelope expansion. The Air Force also operates 16 FOC Tejas Mark I jets that will also be upgraded to Mark 1A standard that will be deployed at the Nal Air Base in Rajasthan this year. Nicholas Smythe, Lockheed Martin's head of international business development, has confirmed that Lockheed Martin is looking for an Indian partner for its C-130J offer to the Indian Air Force under the 80 Medium Transport Aircraft program. Lockheed Martin will finalize the selection of a local partner within the next 2 months to establish a final assembly line in India, and this collaboration will lead to the establishment of a second C-130J manufacturing facility globally. The Indian Air Force's Summer Air Defense System has garnered significant interest from various countries operating Russian fighter jets, and the Indian Air Force is open to collaborate with interested nations to help them establish their own summer-like air defense systems. This collaborative approach would enable friendly countries to effectively utilize their aging missile stocks while strengthening their air defense postures. Today's top 3 comments.